Hello, this is our final discussion 7, Insights Revisited. Um, and the first question is how to um, how is your view of insights and analytics have changed since the beginning of the course? I think I learned a lot from the reading and the extra material. I think one of the most helpful sites actually was the Google Analytics because we got to deal in real time information. And this is the Google Analytics sites for their Google merchandise store. And basically, what I learned is there's just so many variables that can be configured. Audience, demographics, interests, what device, load time, and all of these different variables can be configured depending on what business sector that you're in, depending if it's retail or manufacturing. But you can really get a lot of information from this site. The reports are very, very useful, and they are very customizable. They're very easy to create, and there's a whole bunch of dimensions that you can use. The one thing that I did see that I actually just kind of saw is this insight button, and then how many users did you get, all kinds of very useful information that can help you with your insights. Now, what I'm going to school for is the master's degree in enterprise resource planning, and that would be like Oracle, PeopleSoft, Salesforce, SAP. So basically, what I'd be doing is monitoring, implementing, configuring, changing, doing some change management. These are kind of large scale enterprise systems that every business needs. So I'm looking for a mid to large business to work for. And you can get analytics for anything from retailing, manufacturing. Every business is highly data driven. So analytics and insight is really applicable for any industry. So it's very important for uh, any business that you'll be going into. This will have applications for. You do get real time information. One thing I did learn is the steps. You collect the data, you clean up the data, you analyze the data, then you can create your insights, and then your insights you can plan for the future and make better business decisions. And I think any business can grow from this. Every business should want this. These insights very, very valuable. Everyone has customers, even manufacturing. You retail, you get the pulse. You can take the pulse of the customer, and then you can kind of change what you can always find out what is working and what is not working, and you can kind of cater to your customer, make things much more customizable for them. For manufacturing, you can make sure your supply chain is efficient. So there's just so much information that can be gathered. I really learned a lot in this course. I mean, things that I thought I knew, I definitely know a lot more. And this is an area that if the business that you're in isn't using, I mean, you could develop a program for them to be, using these types of systems. And we have the Google Analytics, you have the YouTube Studio, and there's just so many more, other analytics depending on what business that what industry you'll be in. So thank you. I learned a lot, and I hope you all did too.